Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Antique lantern demand is dropping, and we need to find the exact cause among these 5 choices. Let's solve this economics puzzle right now.
First, remember that for normal goods, higher income actually increases demand. Since we want to decrease, option A is out. Option B only changes the quantity demanded, not the demand. Next, if people expect higher future prices, they buy more now, so option C fails. A price hike for substitutes like electric lanterns also boosts demand, so option D is wrong. Finally, lamp oil is a complement. When its price rises, using lanterns becomes more expensive, so demand falls. That makes option E our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch lines and avoid rush. Trust given info and check steps.